A critical cybersecurity concern has emerged surrounding the Chromium-based browser engine, Blink, after security researcher Jose Pino disclosed a vulnerability that allows attackers to crash browsers like Chrome, Edge, Vivaldi, Opera, and others within seconds. This flaw, dubbed brash, exploits a complete absence of rate limiting on the document title API, which can be flooded with millions of updates per second, saturating the main thread and causing a system freeze or crash. Pino's public release of proof-of-concept code follows a 2-month period without response from Google, which notably ignored initial reports made in late August. This silence underscores ongoing frustrations within the cybersecurity community about vendor responsiveness to vulnerabilities, especially when their impact affects over 3 billion users. The attack vector is deceptively straightforward. By flooding the title API, malicious actors can trigger immediate collapse of browsers, disrupting individual user sessions and potentially halting enterprise operations that depend on headless browsers for AI, automation, or financial trading systems. Pino's research emphasizes the danger of programmable, timed crashes, which could be exploited during critical operational moments such as market openings or peak transaction periods. These risks extend beyond individual devices. Enterprise workflows like automated analysis or medical systems could be severely impacted, resulting in operational paralysis or safety hazards. This vulnerability exemplifies the broader challenge of responsible vulnerability disclosure. Despite industry standards encouraging vendors to respond within 90 days, Google's lack of acknowledgement leaves security researchers to weigh whether to publish findings publicly, risking widespread exploitation before patches are issued. The flaw's deep integration within Chromium's core means traditional safeguards like firewalls or content policies offer limited protection, leaving organizations in a difficult position, dependent on vendors for timely fixes, which may not materialize. Furthermore, the situation highlights the urgent need for coordinated cybersecurity strategies at the organizational level, including proactive monitoring for unusual browser behavior, anomaly detection in system logs, and prepared response plans. In the absence of vendor action, security teams are urged to consider disabling or limiting use of vulnerable Chromium browsers, especially in critical systems, and to implement alternative safeguards such as browser process monitoring or network-level controls. In conclusion, the brash vulnerability exposes a systemic risk in widely used browser engines, with the potential for disruptive crashes affecting millions in critical systems worldwide. It underscores the importance of prompt vulnerability management, responsible disclosure, and the necessity for organizations to adapt their defenses proactively in the face of slow vendor